Hi everybody, it's Andy Barrar, Handy Andy for Best Buy's blog, and today we're going to be talking about blenders. Most people have a blender in their kitchen, but what about a portable blender? To help explain, I have Dakota from Cruz. Thanks for joining us.
Hey, thanks Andy. So this is BlenderCap. It's the world's highest power portable blender. It's got 300 watts of continuous power, and it fits onto vacuum insulated bottles as well as clear bottles. So if you've got a Hydro flask or a Takai or a thermo flask, it'll fit onto those bottles. And it's got 300 watts of continuous power. You can blend an entire Costco bag of ice in one charge with this thing. There's really nothing else like it. You see, you blend ice, smoothies, think margaritas at the beach, protein shakes at the gym, or if you don't have a lot of space on your counter, can replace your kitchen blender at home.
It's kind of like a two-in-one because it's acting as a cap,
yep,
right?
It's a cap. Yeah, it's called BlenderCap, and it'll fit onto these vacuum insulated bottles. This is our Cruz bottle. Keeps it cold for 24 hours, so think about, you go to the beach or you're going to the lake and it keeps all the ice cold, then you blend up your margaritas or your smoothie wherever you are. It's still cold.
This is a great idea. How come no one else has thought about this? You guys are geniuses.
Well, we did a decade together at Apple. We sort of quit our jobs there a year ago, and we're pretty excited, man.
That is very cool. Is this out on the market currently?
So we're taking pre-orders right now at cruzlife.com. And sorry, there we go. Yeah, we're taking pre-orders right now at cruzlife.com, shipping in around 1 to 2 months. And it's $129. That's with the vacuum insulated bottle, with our custom funnel. You get the twist cap, the blade cap, and then the blender cap.
Explain the funnel for me for a second.
Yeah, so you want to add, protein powder or berries, and you don't want to make a mess. Yeah, we try to think of everything. Now, there's 9 batteries in here. This is our cell-to-pack technology. Nobody else has this in consumer devices. This is seen in like the new BYD cars or the new Teslas. There's never been a consumer device, much less a blender, with 9 batteries in this small form factor.
And how long is the battery life then? Like how much can you blend?
So it depends on how much you do. So for reference, you can go blend an entire 20 bag of ice and make full margaritas, make 20 of these bottles full margaritas on one charge. So if you use it every day, 2 weeks without recharging. It's not like your phone, but you charge it with USB-C just like your phone. Yeah, we're really excited, man.
This is really, really cool. So if you drink a lot of protein shakes or smoothies and you want to take it with you on the go, this is the must-have thing, the BlenderCap.
Yep, BlenderCap at cruzlife.com. Or if you've just got a small kitchen and you don't want to have to clean up after a big blender, this is super easy to clean. And super small.
If you don't have a blender, you can just use this as your blender.
Yep, exactly.
Dakota, thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Andy. Appreciate it, man.
I'm Andy Barrar, Handy Andy for Best Buy's blog, signing out.